Hello learners, welcome to Innovate Teaching Channel. In this video, I am going to discuss a concept, lesson plan. It is a part of planning of the teaching in pedagogy. This is actually part 2 of lesson plan. Previously, I have uploaded part 1 which consists of what is lesson plan, definitions of lesson plan and characteristics of lesson plan. If you haven't watched, please watch it. I'll provide the link in the description box. In this video of part 2 lesson plan, we are going to cover the concepts like what are advantages of lesson plan, criteria for selecting a lesson plan, and what are the approaches to lesson planning. Let's discuss few advantages of a lesson plan. Lesson plan is the outline of important points of a lesson. That lesson may be of any subject like a maths, science or some languages like Telugu, Hindi, English, Tamil, etc. And this lesson plan is arranged in an order in which they are to be presented to the students by the teacher before entering into the classroom. Lesson plan makes the teacher self-confident and self-reliant. Lesson plan ensures definite objective for each day's work and makes the teacher achieve the goals and objectives. Lesson planning or a proper planning of lesson makes the presentation regular as well organized and systematic. Lesson plan proceeds the teacher with a well thought of and definite lines, and it does not follow haphazard and thoughtless teaching. The teacher is conscious of the interest, attitudes that he is to develop in the students through certain activities. Lesson plan saves time in the sense that the students get a better understanding of the subject. The lesson associated with other subjects and nature, hence their interest is maintained throughout. Lesson plan encourages the continuity in the teaching process and the needless repetition is avoided. What is the criteria for selecting a lesson plan? Let's see. The lessons that are planned for teaching in the class should fulfill the objectives of teaching lesson, should suit the age, intelligence, aptitude, social development and interests of the students, and lesson plan should induce activity and critical thinking among the students, and it should be of the nature that it can be taught by utilizing local and school resources. And lesson plans should be presented in an ascending order of difficulty and involve learning from concrete to abstract as far as possible. This fifth point is explained in the previous video clearly. The whole ascending order, concrete to abstract, noun to unknown, familiar to unfamiliar, all these concepts were explained. Moving with approaches to a lesson plan. See, the main approaches to lesson planning are: number 1, the Herbartian approach. This is also known as 5-step approach, and Gloverian approach, evaluation approach, unit approach or Morrisonian approach, project approach, RCEM approach and constructivist approach. All these approaches could be explained in the next upcoming video. Please keep watching. Okay friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. I'm signing off. Bye.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications.
Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our Innovate Teaching Channel.